Postman is an all-in-one API platform that includes an API client to send and inspect API requests and acts as a central platform to store and organize API artifacts such as environment details and network request collections. In the One Adobe tutorial, Postman is used to interact with the various API endpoints of the Adobe solutions to learn how Adobe APIs work. Postman is a platform for developers, so what you do using Postman is intended to test and to learn, and then afterwards those learnings should be implemented in real-world applications. In one of the previous exercises, I created my Adobe I/O project, which I'm opening again now. When I select one of the configured APIs, I'm able to download a JSON file that contains the environment details I need to use in Postman. After downloading the JSON file from Adobe I/O, I'm copying it into the same folder that contains the collections of API requests that I downloaded from the Experience League tutorial pages. Postman has an import functionality, so I'm going to select all the downloaded files in one go to import them into Postman. Once the files are imported, I need to select the environment that was just created. To see the details of the environment, open it up to find things like the API key, the client secret, the technical account ID, and the IMS org. With these environment details available and selected, I'm now able to request an access token from Adobe I/O. Once I click Send, Adobe I/O validates the provided parameters, and if authenticated successfully, a token is returned back to me, which I can now use to interact with Adobe API endpoints. This token is only valid for 24 hours, so I'll have to repeat this process in 24 hours from now to get a new fresh access token. I've received my token successfully now, so my Postman environment is now successfully configured and I can continue with the next exercise.